Vaheguru, student of 8th standard. Today we are going to start exercise 8.2 of chapter number 8, percentage and its application. Before going to start this exercise, first of all, let us discuss what is the meaning of profit and loss. Profit is, first of all, let us discuss what is CP and what is SP. CP means cost price and SP means selling price of an item. Whenever we will purchase an item, that is known as the cost price. Suppose I purchased one pen that is ₹5. This is known as the CP of the pen. And selling price means whenever an item is sold on that price is known as the selling price, or we will call on which price an particular item is sold is known as selling price. See, if I bought a pen that is ₹5, this is the CP of my pen, and I sell it ₹7, so SP of that pen is ₹7. So now what is profit? Profit means when there is SP is greater than CP, whenever your selling price is greater than your cost price, this depicts the profit. So we will write here profit is equals to SP minus CP, selling price minus cost price. Whenever the cost price is less than the selling price, or whenever the selling price is greater than the cost price, this refers to as a profit. And what is loss? Loss means whenever your cost price is greater than selling price. Cost price is greater than selling price, this is known as the loss. Loss is incurred when selling price is less than the cost price. So we will write CP minus SP, selling price minus cost price minus selling price. Next is what is profit percentage, how we can calculate the profit percentage and loss percentage. Profit percentage, if we want to calculate, profit divide with CP multiply with 100. This is known as the profit percentage. Firstly, you have to calculate the profit, divide it with the CP of an item, multiply with 100. Next, if we want to calculate the loss percentage, same, loss divide with CP, multiply with 100. So this is a way to calculate the profit percentage and loss percentage. And next, how we can calculate the SP and CP whenever their profit or loss percentage is given. See, if it is given profit, how we can calculate the SP? 100 plus profit percent. Profit is given 100 plus profit percent, divide with the 100, multiply with CP. And if it is loss given, then we will deduct the loss. Profit given, we will add the profit. Loss is given, we will deduct the loss, divide with the 100, same, multiply with CP. Next, how we can calculate the cost price whenever the profit percentage or loss percentage is given. Similarly, 100 upon, now reciprocal, 100 upon 100 plus profit percentage, multiply with SP. Again, wherever there is loss percentage given, 100 upon 100 minus loss percent, multiply with SP. So these are the formulas. With the use of this formula, we should calculate the profit and loss, profit percentage and loss percentage, how to find selling price whenever the profit percentage given, and selling price whenever there is loss percentage given. And similarly, how to calculate the cost price whenever there is given profit percentage and loss percentage. Now next, again one more term, that is overhead expense. What it means? Overhead expenses. How to calculate or what it means? The expenses which is incurred on buying or before selling it, additional expense on an item which is incurred whenever we will buy or whenever we will sell a particular item. These are known as overhead expense. Like transportation. Suppose we want to buy a product, okay, from any particular area. Whenever your product is transported from one location to another location, these charges are known as the overhead expenses, or repair charges also are known as considered as overhead expenses. So these expenses must be add to the original cost of an item. See, if Ram purchased, I will write here, Ram purchased an air conditioner. If Ram purchased air conditioner for rupees, suppose 30,000, and he spent rupees 8,000 repairs. Okay, so 8,000 is then considered as overhead expense, and 30,000 is considered to be an original cost of an item. So we have to find the total cost of air conditioner. Okay, what is the original price plus what are their repairs, or repairs we will call overhead expenses. So rupees 30,000 plus 8,000. So total cost of, or we can call total CP, total cost price of an air conditioner, that is 38,000. So this is a way to find out the total cost of a particular item if there are given overhead expenses.